problem of the chocolate study is that nursing students are in desperate need to figure out which type of chocolate tastes the best for stress eating purposes and which will maximize their stress reduction while in school. The purpose of the chocolate study is to determine the preferences between Hershey's and Dove chocolate. Because this study is mixed methods study, there is a research question for both the quantitative portion as well as the qualitative portion. The qualitative research question asks what is the experience of eating chocolate A and chocolate B. The quantitative research question asks which chocolate is preferred more by participants, chocolate A or chocolate B. The demographics of this study are a 23-year-old female with no known allergies to chocolate that does not contain nuts. Image 1.1 shows the participants' informed consent, while Table 1.1 shows the quantitative data that was collected. As you can see, this participant was relatively hungry at the time of participation. She loves chocolate and has already displayed more of an interest in Dove chocolate as opposed to Hershey's chocolate, as noted by the neutral choice for Hershey's and the strongly agreed choice for Dove. Displayed now are the quantitative results for both chocolates. As you can see, this participant scored higher when rating the Dove chocolate as opposed to the Hershey's chocolate. Now let's look at the qualitative results. When asked about chocolate A, the participant stated that it was mildly satisfying with a bland flavor and that it didn't make her want to consume any more. When looking at the qualitative results for chocolate B, it is important to note that the participant states that it made her want to continue eating it. The chocolate held a sweet flavor and had a smooth texture. Prior to eating chocolate B, the participant was craving another piece. After analyzing the data of this study, I found the participant to prefer chocolate B over chocolate A. Therefore, chocolate B is the choice of chocolate to consume for stress reduction, and it will have a greater impact on stress reduction than chocolate A.